Hi everyone. Today we would like to present you our project based on warehouse storage software and its researching. So first of all, here is the content of our presentation and topics we would like to mention. And let us start with introducing ourselves. We were working in a team of 3, and the name of our team is MASD, which is used from the last time because we just liked it. And members of our team are Anna, Adrian, and Veronica. And we studied at Riga State Classical Gymnasium and Riga Technical College. And Anna and Adrian were mostly responsible for development and study of our final project, and Veronica for presentation side and design as well.
Our idea development started with our noticing of issues connected with different items sorting, for example, product sorting in our fridge or silverware in a cupboard. We decided to look more into this theme and find our user by doing a questionnaire, and then we made an interview with them to find the concrete problem they are facing and try to offer them our solution that will make their work easier. Our user is a company chat, which is concentrated on office technology repairing and selling, mostly selling.
Okay, so moving on to the problem on which our project is based and which is the main issue of our user, we would like to describe one real case which caused the company some troubles. Our company delivered their products to the warehouse and assigned them to the system of accounting, which they're currently using, 1C. Products were stored in a warehouse for some time, and then some client ordered from them one shredder. In the software, it was shown that the item was in its place, so they thought everything is all right. But in fact, when customer arrived, the product was lost, and in the result, the client was really not satisfied and left a bad review, which caused them a rating downgrade.
And as a solution to this problem, we offered the company a constructor software Odo, which is more comfortable and reliable and can be customized for their needs. As a result, our main point was to offer them the customization of this application so they are comfortable with using it. All in all, Odo is similar to many open source projects where customized programming support and data services are provided by an active global community and partners network.
Yeah, so as a comparison of Odo and 1C, the program which they were using, despite that Odo is somewhere similar to 1C and other open source projects, it have more features. It's definitely more comfortable for working with clients. For example, 1C does not have customer relationship management, which helps to communicate with customers and clients easier. It also has barcode scanning, which is definitely helpful for not losing products in a warehouse, and finance accounting, which helps workers to keep track of financial reports, which in turn are tightly connected with the available products in a warehouse. And here is a quick demonstration of how everything works. Here you can see our main menu and also inventory. Some other features which, like for example, here is our warehouse and the products that are stored there. Here is ordered. Yeah. Some orders that were made. Yeah, and that is it. Thank you for your attention. We are open for your questions.
Thank you so much, MASD, for presenting your work today. That's quite an interesting project, actually. I can see that questions already start coming. So Madra Zaykovska from RTU, you may actually ask your question now.
Okay, thank you. I was just wondering if the company that you are working on this for, did they use your solution is it actually in real life in their company's new warehouse system now?
Yes, they're using it now, like half and half with 1C because they're in a process to moving on to the Odoo system. But yes, they're using it, and they really like it.
Cool. And you were showing all the options like customer service and project management and stuff like that. Did they choose to use all of the options, or did they choose to use just some of the options that are most useful for them?
They choose to use only those functions they need. That's why they're not using all the functions that Odoo is presenting.
Great. I was looking at this, and just a short comment. One of the activities that we do is the MOLA, which is like a company's challenge, and actually a team of our students did really similar challenge this season, and they won a prize for it. So I think it's a good solution for you as well.
That's good. Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
can move on.
All right, thank you for your question, Madara. I can see two more hands. Well, first from Elchin.
Yeah, I will have again a technical question. So did you base the solution itself on some existing inventory management engine or system, or you have created it from scratch? If yes, then can you please also name the technologies and languages used for that?
So thank you for your question. We used already
Existing.
yes, already existing system, although it existed before us. So we just provide the system to our users.
Yeah, and customized it for their needs and what they needed to be done.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks. Thank you for your questions. And then another question from Mara.
Yes, thank you. Could you please elaborate a little bit regarding business model? How are you gonna earn your 1 million?
So we thought about maybe also if you have some companies that have problems with warehouse, we'll just send maybe our website, which is now not done, to our potential clients, and maybe some people would say that yes, we need it, and we would help them.
Yeah, so the main point we would like to, in future, our plans are to make a website on which we represent our idea and provide our service, and yeah, maybe ask I don't know, some companies and send them our emails with our offer to help them if they have any problems.
But what is your offer like? Is it some kind of monthly, annual fee, or you're just a one amount that the company has to pay?
Okay, could you please repeat it?
How will you earn the money? So how will the companies pay for your service?
So they will just pay us at the first, and then we'll do our service, and they would say, is it good or not? I hope I answered your question.
All right, thank you. I can see one more hand up from Sasha.
Great question, great project, like really love it.
Thank
First of all, small suggestion, please when you do comparison table, from the point of the venture side, because I think your project have a potential to attract investors. That looks suspicious. Like, I don't try to say that you look too good, but kind of you look too good to be true. Because Adines has been very developed for like many years, and when you're showing that like you're so much better than them, it doesn't look weird, but it looks like you haven't do your research properly. So like
Yeah,
you can't show that you're better than them in everything but discount management.
Yeah, I understand. So the table that we are providing is showing more like what features the auto have over the 1C. So there is no point to like show that auto is so much better, but it's point to show where it's better for our companies and their work with clients. So we would like to show that to work with clients, Odoo is more I don't know, better for 1C, but we're not saying that 1C is a bad system. So yeah,
I get it. Just be prepared that you might be asked like
okay.
from a perspective of the investor, you might be asked like, are you guys sure that you're so much better because you called it a comparison?
Okay. Yeah.
Secondly, please do get in touch with me. Just shoot me a message here as in direct chat because I would like to talk more with you about that. And secondly, monetization model and testing. Have you thought about how much would it cost for companies? Like I know that that Mara has asked you the same question, pretty much the same question. Love the question, by the way. How much you're planning to charge for it?
Oh, okay. So we thought about maybe at the first we want to do the big price, like maybe only 10 or 15 years maximum, just to understand if our user is okay with this price or not. And then we will just change this price and do some research to offer the best price for this product. So we would be okay with this price and our users.
Okay, that kind of answers my third question. So please do get in touch with me. I would like to talk more with you about that because I do think that you have a great potential. I just think that you might need some little tweaks in terms of like your monetization / analysis. Other than that, great project. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Much.
All right. Thank you for your presentation.